Hi, let me show you how you can professionally rickroll your friends. Hi, my name is Rick Astley, and today I'm going to show you how you can use the new Photomatic AI's brand new model WAN 2.2 Animate Replace. So when you get to your FlowHunt dashboard, up top in the top left, you can click on Photomatic and you will be greeted into our photo and video generation hub. So you go to models and you will choose WAN 2.2 Animate. Now, we have previously covered different WAN models, but this one is pretty interesting because you can have a reference image and a reference video. So you can click on that, and then down here you can see you have a reference image and a reference video. Now, the video we've provided is just a very short 8-second video of Rick Astley, Never Gonna Give You Up, and then the reference image is just my face, right? And we prompted it to replace the face in the reference image with the face present in the reference video and animate it. And then we clicked on generate and it is currently generating. So we will be back when the video is fully generated so that we can show what results we have. Okay, the video is generated and I have it here. So I watched it through, it's pretty interesting. So yeah, let's give it a watch. Yeah, nice. So it's an 8-second video of kind of me doing the Rick Astley dance and rickrolling people. So if you want to rickroll your friends with this, make sure to leave a comment in the comment section down below and let us know if you need anything related to the photo generation. Have a nice day.